What's going on, everyone? It's Tan. Wanted to do a quick video review. This is not going to take long. It's pretty much a plug and play item, and I wanted to kind of share it with you to see if this is something that you may be interested in. Again, another product that the fine folks at Car Trim Home sent out to me is this wireless charger. Now, as y'all know, fourth generation Highlander from 2020 to 2022. If you did get the model where it came equipped with the wireless charger, it's the Qi compatible charger that was situated here in the center console. So if you watched any of my previous videos, we took that out because it was clunky, and in my experience, I never keep my phone in the center console anyways. I would usually keep it in one of the cubbies in the front, or where I have it now, which is right next to my steering wheel up at the top right here. So I removed it. Has a lot of space now. However, for those that are interested in wireless charging, granted, the 2023 Toyota Highlanders finally are going to have the Qi wireless chargers located in the cubby where they should have been from the beginning, right? And so this product is an aftermarket product as an alternative. If you didn't want to spend buco bucks, if you have a Highlander between 2020 through 2022, and you're not going to wait for the 2023 model that's going to have that wireless charger in the cubby. So what does it look like? Let's do a quick unboxing here. Here's the box, and it says here it's Qi compatible, quick charging, has some sort of cooling outlet. We'll see. Let's open this up real quick. And this is what you get inside the box. You get some 3M stickies, quality assurance tests. You get some instructions. Looks like one side is in Chinese. Flip it to the other side. You'll have it in English right here. And then inside, you'll have the actual charger itself. It'll look like this. Bottom profile. Now let's see here. Input power, 9 to 12 volts. And the output power for charging is 15 watts. So 15 watts is similar to other wireless chargers. And is that all you get in the box? It's just this big old clunky plastic in here. Yep. All right, nothing else inside of there. All right. So just looking at the front right here, you have two power buttons. This is where the coils are. And based on the instructions, when you plug this in, these will automatically light up blue. And then when you actually put a phone on to charge it, it's going to light up in red. Now, if you have like some sort of foreign object in between the phone and the charger, say for example, my phone, in my phone case, I actually have magnets on the inside, so that way I can use it with my phone holders that are magnetized. So that may not be compatible with this, and so I have a feeling that might light up blinking red. The directions say that if it is there's a foreign object, then it's going to blink red, signifying that it is not charging. So that's basically what it looks like. Let's go ahead and do a quick install and see how well this works. All right, so here's the charger again. This is just going to slide right into here, just like that. I'm just doing a test fit right now without using any of the extra foam padding that it came with. And it fits pretty snug in there, the way it is. So on the back of here, again, let's take a look here. There's a wire that we'll need to plug in. and it's charged with a cigarette lighter port right here. So we'll take this off right here. All right, so probably good thing to do right now is to remove this little thing out first. So remove that hole. Then feed this wire underneath like that. There we go. Feed that out. And then we'll just take this and plug it into cigarette port right here. Okay. So nice and fit in there. Just close that. And then with this, we'll just plug this right in. Let me just put the tablet down. All right. Take this cable. And slip it on in. All right, so that's it. Let's go ahead and turn the car on. You'll see there that once the car turns on, the blue lights will turn on. Now, if you're using it and you don't want it to be on because you don't have a phone to charge, you can just turn them off. And you can charge two phones at the same time. So let's just keep it on. And I have my phone right here. And then I also have, this is a Galaxy S8. And then I'm using my sister's phone right here. This is a S10 Note. And you can see how there's this big metal chunk back here. I think that would be what we consider debris, and it may or may not charge the phone because that is in the way. I have a feeling mine is not going to work with the case on because I have this magnet on the back right here. But let's go ahead and find out. If I were to put this on, all right, you see how it's blinking red? That means there's a foreign object. So let's test my sister's phone. Okay, so hers actually is charging. But now now it's indicating this foreign thing in a way. I have a feeling it probably picked up on this metal piece in the back right here. So let's do a test. I'm going to take off my phone case real quick. One moment. And I'm going to take my sister's off as well. So both phones will have no cases on it. And we'll see how well it charges. I got both phones. Okay. S10 Note. It's charging. I heard that doo-doo. And my phone. Doo-doo. All right. So with the cases off, this does work. Again, it's charging at 15 watts. Let me give it a test here. I'm actually going to use these things. I'm going to use this as foreign debris and pretend this was a case. Just lay that right there. I would just lay this on top of that. Okay. So that works. All right, so final thoughts on this 15-watt dual phone charger. It's great that it is a wireless option. And one thing that I did notice that is annoying, but definitely something that is not going to be a deal breaker for me, is this cigarette lighter adapter here. When you actually feed it into the socket, it's so flush in that it's going to be hard to pull out, and so you don't have much to grip on. If you look at it, look how flat it is, right? There's nothing here to grab on to pull it out because it's going to be so flush into it. And of course, you don't want to continue to grab this wire and pull it out each time. You need to get access to that port. So what I'll do is I'm going to use some electrical tape, and I'm going to create some grip points. I'll create one right here and one on the bottom. So that way, when I do stick it in the event I need to take this out, I can pull on the electrical tape and pull it out instead of pulling on this wire or try to really get my fingers in there to pry it out this way. That's the only con that I could see from this product. All right, so all I'm going to do is just cut a little bit of electrical tape. I'm just going to fold a portion of it onto itself, just enough that I can grab in the future. So this will act as my pull tab right here. And then find a spot, probably put it right there. And that should be it. That'll just be my pull tab whenever I need to pull this out. Now, this is probably as far as I'm going to go. Before I recorded this, I actually wrapped electrical tape around the whole circumference here, and it was a really tight fit into the socket. So I had to go to plan B. So this is another alternative, to have a little pull tab to pull it out if you need to. So hopefully this will fit right in here now. There we go. So now that's pushed in. I'll go ahead and start the car up. Okay. And as you can see, the wireless charger is powered. And by default, both sides are turned on. I can turn either side off that it's not in use. Turn it back on if I need to. And then if I need to pull this out for any reason, I can pull on the tab and just pull it out. There we go. Ton's tips, Ton's hack. See how flush it looks? It's a good thing, but it'll be a pain in the ass to take out if you don't have a pull tab like this. And also, for a cleaner look, you can actually tuck the wires right up into the crevices right here. You can use a pry tool and just shove it up in there for that cleaner look. There you have it. I'll make sure to put a link in the video description, along with a discount code for 7% off if this is a product you want to pick up for yourself. Thanks again. Take care. Peace.